Hello students, I welcome you all in my class. Today I am going to calculate the trigonometric ratios of 30-degree and 60-degree angle. Here ABC is an equilateral triangle. Here ABC is an equilateral triangle. If ABC is an equilateral triangle, then angle A, angle B and angle C are equal to each other, and the value of angle A, B, C will be equal to 60 degree. Here I am going to draw a perpendicular on side BC from vertex A. If we will draw a perpendicular from vertex A on side BC, here AD is a perpendicular bisector. The length of BC is 2A unit. Then the length of BD will be what? Here AD is perpendicular bisector of BC. Here AD divides BC into two equal parts. If the length of BC is 2A unit, then the length of BD will be A unit. Here the value of this angle, the measure of this angle is 60 degree. Here AD is the bisector. Then AD will bisect the angle BAC into two equal parts. The value of angle A is 60 degree, therefore angle BAD will be 30 degree and angle DAC also 30 degree. Now I am taking triangle ADB. Here AD is perpendicular. AD is perpendicular on side BC. This is 60 degree. The length of BD is A unit and the length of AB is 2A unit. Children, can you find the length of AD? Can you find the length of AD? Yes, we can find the length of AD by using Pythagoras theorem. AD square is equal to under root square of hypotenuse minus square of base. 2A whole square minus A square is equal to under root 3A square equal to root 3 times A. Root 3 times A unit, and the value of this angle is 30 degree. Here now I am going to find the trigonometric ratios of angle 30 degree. Sin 30 degree. Here with respect to this angle, this side, this is the adjacent side for 30 degree angle. This side will be base and this side will be perpendicular. Here BD is opposite of angle 30 degree, then this side will be perpendicular. Children, you know that sin 30, sin is equal to what? Trigonometric ratio sin is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Here perpendicular is A unit. A upon 2A is equal to 1 upon 2. Cos 30 is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Base is root 3. A upon 2A. It will become root 3 upon 2, and tan 30 is equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is A. A upon root 3 times A equal to 1 upon root 3. Similarly, you can find the value of cosec 30. You know that, children, cosec is the reciprocal of sine. If the value of sine 30 is 1 upon 2, then the value of cosec 30 will be what? Cosec 30, the value of cosec 30 will be reciprocal of sine 30. Reciprocal of 1 upon 2 will become 2. And sec 30 is equal to reciprocal of cos 30. The value of cos 30 is root 3 upon 2. Then the value of sec 30, 2 upon root 3. And value of cot 30 is the reciprocal of tan 30. Root 3 upon 1 means root 3. Now I am going to calculate the trigonometric ratios for angle 60 degree. Sin 60 degree. With respect to this angle, now the base and perpendicular will interchange to each other. Base and perpendicular will interchange to each other. Now the base will be this side base will be side BD and perpendicular will be side AD. This is the perpendicular with respect to this angle, with respect to 60 degree angle. Okay, this side will be perpendicular, opposite side of 60 degree. Sin 60, sin equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is root 3 a upon 2a. It is equal to root 3 upon 2. Cos 60 degree is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Base upon hypotenuse, base is a. A upon 2a equal to 1 upon 2. Tan 60 degree is equal to, tan 60 degree equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is what? Perpendicular is root 3a upon a is equal to root 3. Similarly, you can find the value of cosec 60 degree. As you know that cosec is the reciprocal of sine. The value of sine 60 is root 3 upon 2. Then the value of cosec 60 will be reciprocal of this value, 2 upon root 3. And the value of sec 60 degree equal to reciprocal of cos 60. 2 upon 1 is 2. And the value of cot 60. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. The value of tan is root 3. Means root 3 upon 1. Then the value of cot 60 will be what? The value of cot 60 will be now 1 upon root 3. Okay. Thank you, children.